I'm going to explain to you why your jawline looks cheap and fillers making it look even cheaper, but I'm also going to show you how to fix it in this quick video. Because if your patient walks out looking like IKEA's built it, and it's sharp around the edges, looks fake, and probably looks like one person could put it up themselves, then this video is definitely for you, and your clients are going to thank me for it afterwards. I'm going to tell you the top 3 mistakes injectors make when trying to do a jawline, whether it's masculine or feminine. And I'm going to show you what actually works and why it works and how you should be approaching facial structure and what might be going fundamentally wrong if you're not getting the results you think you should be getting. First thing, filler is not clay. It's not something you can mold or you sculpt or you can redefine. Most people overfill on the angle thinking definition equals bulk and bulk equals structure, and it doesn't. It's about the proportion of the face. It's about how light refracts from different angles and add volume to where there's bone support, not where there's soft tissue, because that's just going to be chaos and you're at risk of things not really working how you need to. So here's a quick diagram, side by side, good versus bad placement when you're dealing with the jawline. I've seen women have jawlines stronger than Action Man, and I've also seen women ask for jawlines that look like Action Man. So they're either trying to have a jawline like the Crimson Chin, or they look like they've had a reaction and it's not giving that subtle feminine look. Or maybe they don't want to, it's personal preference. But here's the difference in the angles between masculine and feminine features, and why you need to know beforehand which one is which and how you're going to approach it before you touch a needle and go straight to the bone, and before you pick up a cannula and go straight in. Let me show you how it looks on the image below. Mistake number 3. If you keep trying to chase the razor blade jawline effect, where people are on Instagram and they're pulling their face and they're tucking in their gull and they're putting it over the chin forward, then you belong on Instagram. It's going to be great and people are going to love it. But then people are going to be severely let down when they turn up to your clinic and you're unable to repeat them results for them, because it's not a natural look. It's a look designed for a particular overfilled, overdefined, almost as if you're trying to dress up for cosplay. Some people like it, some people don't. But if you want to move into the world of natural aesthetics, then you need to pay attention. Let me show you some of the celebrities that have probably overfilled their jawline, which now is going to be a lot harder to maintain. If you're here for the financial purposes, great, you're going to have lots of them coming back for constant top-ups. But also with constant top-ups comes a lot of disappointment, because you want to be the injector people trust, not the one they have to see someone like me or another professional to come and say, can you please fix this mess? Because I'm going to show you on my next video how tear trough filler can be a disaster and how people like me need to fix it, because I'm going to tell you the 5 things that I did to make people's tear troughs an absolute disaster and had people leaving the clinic looking like Elephant Man until I learned these 3 things. Stay tuned for next week.